Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to download and install Merge Gardens game on your iPhone. First of all, make sure to unlock your iPhone and make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and launch open your App Store. Go to the search icon at the bottom right corner and in the search bar at the top type in Merge Gardens. From the search result that appears on the screen, tap on the Get button right next to Merge Gardens and wait for the application to download and install on your device. On your iPhone, you'll need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password if you are downloading the app for the first time. Now wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. Once the application is installed, you can play the app open and then enjoy the game on your iPhone. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.